Hello there. I'm Yu Kindo, and I'm a project manager in Wonks, Doctors for Your Data. In this video, I will walk you through the process of setting up the two-step verification to your Google account for added layer of security and protection. Let me show you. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. Then go to Google account settings by typing myaccount.google.com on your browser bar. Or you can simply click the icon on the top right of the page and go to Manage Your Google Account and click on it. Once you are in this page, click on the Security tab on the left-hand menu. Once you are in the Security page, scroll down a bit and you can see the two-step verification. As you can see, the two-step verification of this account is off. So you need to click the arrow on the right-hand side and it will bring you to this next page. Click the Get Started below. Then it will require you to enter the password of your Google account. Once done, click Next. Now, it will require you to select the dialing code of your country and add your mobile number here. You'll be prompted to choose your primary verification method, either text message or phone call to get codes. In this case, we will select text message as a primary verification method. Once done, you can click Next, and Google will send a verification code to that number. Once you receive the code on your mobile device, enter it here to verify your phone number. Once you're in this page, just click Turn On to turn on the two-step verification to your Google account. You can see now that the two-step verification is now turned on. You can also add more sign-in options for your two-step verification, such as the Authenticator app or backup codes. Let's explore the Authenticator app option. When you don't have an internet connection or mobile service, you can set up Google Authenticator or another app that creates one-time verification codes. First, you have to download the Google Authenticator from Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. Once you have done that, click the Setup Authenticator button. Open the Google Authenticator app, then tap the plus sign and choose Scan a QR code. Once done scanning, you will see the 6-digit code in the app. Enter the code in this page and click Verify. Now let's explore another option, the use of backup codes. You'll be asked to generate backup codes, and these codes can be used if you lose access to your phone. Just make sure to save them in a secure place. To start, click the Get Backup Codes button. Google generates this list of backup codes. You have the option to print the codes or download the codes and store it safely in your device. And there you have it. Your Google account is now more secure with two-step verification. You'll be asked to enter a code from your mobile or Authenticator app whenever you sign in. I hope you find this walkthrough video helpful. Remember to stay secure online by enabling this extra layer of protection for your account. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at Wonks, Doctors for Your Data. Thank you for watching and see you next time.